because the entire editing team have actually gone to see this live. Here we go.
Led out by Absalon.
Absalon's leading out. He looks strong. Nino Schurter's going to have to start to come round him sometime soon.
Coming.
And here he comes. This is a repeat of the World Championship.
Schurter.
Schurter does it again. An absolute carbon copy of the World Championship.
Incredible.
Absalon just continues to pedal out the side.
I think we'll call that a tenner to me, Jenny. Very standard crossing
Very standard crossing the line. Fantastic ride.
And now for our winner today, from Switzerland, riding for the Swiss Power MTB Racing Team, Nino Schurter! Ladies and gentlemen, your winner today, Nino Schurter of Swiss Power MTB Racing. And now, in honour of our winner today, the national anthem of Switzerland.